Summer is here. We do not want your children to get bored at home. At ALOHA, we have developed fun summer classes for them while they stay safe at home. These workshops are designed for children from 5 to 13 years old who want to have fun this summer, whether or not they are ALOHA students. These classes are based on Howard Gardner's 8 multiple intelligences. And what is that? Well, each child has every one of these intelligences, but some are more evolved than others according to each child's skills. At ALOHA summer classes, we will work with all intelligences, and therefore students will begin to learn in distinct ways. ALOHA summer classes are divided into 8 weekly workshops. Each workshop is independent, and everyone can decide which ones to take. All of them are a fusion of abacus, experiments, arithmetic, technology, games, expert teachers, and fun with much love. Each workshop achieves to promote one intelligence without overlooking the benefits of ALOHA. All this in a fun and interactive way. If your children enjoy experiments, rhythm, action, arts, challenges, and competitions, ALOHA summer classes is for them. Besides, at the same time, we will be enhancing their self-esteem and self-confidence through the development of emotional intelligence. This will make the students feel more self-confident at the end of the summer course when facing the challenges of daily life. Take this opportunity to give your children a great tool to learn in different ways while having fun.